and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color gray. Let's take a look. Starting up front here underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Up front, of course, is where we have our LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and fog lights down below. There are also tow hooks on the bottom front. As you move along to the side here, you've got your alloy wheels. Side mirrors have integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. You'll also find your Tacoma badge on your front doors. As you move back, you'll find all of the rear windows come with factory tinting, and in the back there is a rear bed light. This can be turned on or off or work automatically with opening and closing of doors. You'll also notice that the middle panel of your rear windshield is inset a little bit. This is power adjustable from the front of the cab. As you approach the back of your truck bed, you'll find your TRD 4x4 Sport stickers on both sides. In the back itself here, we do have the V6 badge and the Tacoma logo inset. Then if you look underneath, you'll be able to find your spare tire mounted on the bottom. On your handle, right next to the logo, is your backup camera. And of course, to release your liftgate, simply reach and release the handle itself. It can lower itself down from there. Take a quick look along the inside of the bed here. As you approach the right-hand side, you'll find additional storage and a power outlet. And then to close it up, simply reach down and bring up your tailgate to lock it back into position. Next, let's take a look at the inside. Inside here, you'll find that your internal upholstery is the black leatherettes with this nice leatherette texturing. Your rear seats are adjustable by releasing the straps next to the rear headrest, both on the driver's side and on the middle of the rear side. You can give this a tug and be able to access all the storage space in behind, including on the passenger side, you'll find your tool storage for your spare tire. Very similar on the bottom. If you reach in behind the seats, you'll be able to grasp and pull up to access the storage bunkers on the bottom. On the back of your front passenger seat, you do have pouch storage. Back of the console has cup holder spaces, and currently we have the Toyota rubber mats all throughout the unit. Good amount of storage in your rear doors here. Then moving forward, take a look at your handle. You'll notice these two double lines on the outside corner. These indicate keyless entry. So if you have your key fob on your person, you're able to just tap your hand here to lock and unlock. Inside the driver's door compartment, we have the power windows for front and back, child safety lock, power lock system, and your side mirror controls. Front driver's seat is electronically adjustable, back, front, up, down, and lumbar support. Hood release latch on the bottom left-hand side of the dash. Above that, you have the controls for your rear bed light, automatic headlamps, your various different power wattages, and then your traction control. Hop up here and take a look at this leather-wrapped steering wheel. Controls on the left here are for your radio tune scroll, your volume, and then your hands-free communication. Right-hand side, you have everything for your dash display up top. Cruise control in the back, including sonar and your lane departure. Then in the middle here is your infotainment display screen. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including your built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. Audio listening includes AM, FM, and satellite radio, full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB adapter. Bottom left-hand side is your volume control. On the right, you have your radio tune scroll. Underneath, you have your climate control center. We have dual climate control center so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. You also have tri-level front heated seats for driver and passenger, defrost for your front windshield and side mirrors, your four-ways, and then your dial control for your two-wheel for high and for low, push start ignition next to that. Then you have your BSM, your ECT power, and then this is the control for that middle panel of the rear windshield. We'll just take a look at it in action. If you press the control button down, it'll slide open. If you pull it upwards, it'll close. You can stop it at any point along the way to adjust it to your liking. Then right next to that, you'll find this funky little symbol that is lit up, can be turned on or off. This symbol, you'll notice, matches the symbol on the pad down here. This little storage space on the bottom is a wireless charging pad. It is compatible with all wireless charging devices and can be turned on and off using this correlating button. Next to that is your 12 volts. Then you have all of your cup holder spaces all throughout the middle, gear shift, parking brake, and your console where you'll find all of your charger options. You have a lockable glove box where you'll find another Tacoma logo. Then up overhead on your rearview mirror, you'll find these little house-shaped controls with 1, 2, or 3 dots underneath. Those are garage door openers. Above that, sunglasses compartment, SOS button, overhead lighting controls, and controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in the color gray. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703, and remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.